Hi, my name is Mansour Breck. I'm the president for X2O Media, and we're here at Enterprise Connect in Orlando, Florida. So what we're showcasing here today is our new collaboration room / virtual classroom. And if I could direct your attention here, what you're looking at is a smallish version of that with 14 remote participants. Each remote participant has an assigned seat on the wall with their own camera and their own directional audio. So you know when somebody speaks, or somebody remote speaks, you know who it is because you can hear it coming from this part of the wall, or you can hear Rebecca, for example, speaking on that part of the wall. I can't say enough about how more real it makes that experience. It really gives the remote participant a feeling of being there, because when I look at them and talk to them, they can see that I'm looking at them because of the camera, and I can hear that it's coming from there. So then, in addition to this, the audiovisual experience, so we have 14 remote participants here. This can go as high as 30, 60, or 90 in a training environment, and or a smaller number in a meeting room where you'd have multiple rooms connected to each other. And of course, at the front of the room, we've got a whiteboard where we can, we have multiple whiteboards. I can draw a diagram. I've got a confidence monitor here, which is showing me all the camera feeds in the room, as well as what the remote participants are seeing. I can share content between the different. So here I'm going to call up. This is what the remote participant would be seeing. It shows you the picture of the room. There you can see the whiteboard in the room, in my personal UI, and maybe in the other room right there. All interconnected in real time with real-time content sharing. They can switch between the camera views. We can all be controlled by an operator, so it's like a broadcast experience. And really the goal here was to produce an experience that is better than being there. Thank you.